Welcome everyone, I am back. Today's July the 20th, 2022. We're going to talk about forward today and why this market could continue to bounce and explode, because I'm going to show you something on the price chart. Now, when we're in a very fast-paced environment, information comes out relatively quick. You need to act quickly as well. I'm going to show you all from the price chart that the market actually is telling us that the market is prepared to move higher and forward. Now, before I get started, welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I make sure that you and I are one of the first ones to anticipate price movement so that we can profit from it. You guys want to join me? Welcome. Join all of my day ones, all of my supporters, all of my subscribers who continue to watch my content because they understand how valuable this information is. Hit the like button. Share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well to ensure you all become aware of whenever I upload my price predictions to this platform. Okay, so now real quick, did a video in forward, right? The last time I did a video in forward was on June the 16th. This is where the price was. Okay, let's talk. The market price in forward when I created my price prediction last was right here, around $12.25, right? Now, my idea was for price in forward to go down. Needless to say that's what happened. We've seen the market in forward go down. We all can see how many days that the market in forward was in our price target arena. Now, did the market go all the way down to my ultimate TP price of around 10? No, it didn't. But where did it find support? Where did the buyers pop up? Let me show you where they were at, because this is not rocket science. Right here is where the buyers came into the market in forward. How do I know that? Why would I say something like that? It's because look at all of these trading days to which the market in forward did not trade below. This is the buyer's line right there, $11. So as long as that continues, that gives us the opportunity to see price in forward continue to go up. So hopefully you was able to grab the profitability here in the market in forward of around 10, almost 11% on the days that the market in forward came down to $11. Because if not, if you were to get out the market now, yeah, you're down around 2.75%. Now, that's nothing. 2.75% is nothing if we're going to continue to look for the market to go up. Because if the market in forward continues to go up, then your increase and losses will continue to increase as well too. This is why you need to be quick, because the market changes every day. So let's talk about what we're looking forward to in the market now. Now, first things first, I want you to see what went on into the market in forward the last 2 days. See, fundamental analysis is not going to teach you this. It's not going to give you a heads up as to what's really going on. We broke this downtrend line in the market in forward just the last 2 days. So now we need to take note of this and say, hold on, something is going on. We were in a downtrend in the market in forward since February, a couple of months ago, beginning of this year. The market in forward began its down move, but now we're trading outside of it. Something is changing. The market dynamics, the sentiment into the market in forward is now changing. Now, this doesn't mean that we need to become ecstatic, that we need to be excited, that we need to act like all of the storm clouds is now out the way, because that doesn't mean that. It just simply means that the market is becoming more stable, more complacent. It's feeling better about trading at these price levels. That's what it means. So we're not going to be oblivious to not think that we cannot resume a downtrend later on in 2022. But currently, it looks decent. Look at forward on the 2-day. Okay. Now, let's keep it real. Market has been on the run. Can we still see forward continue its bullish run? Okay. So our attention needs to be focused in on how high can the market run, right? We need to be focused on to where price is headed, because we want to make sure that we jump off the ship before it sinks. So currently, when I look at this on a 2-day chart, it looks like the market may run up to around $13. $13.50. That's our first area of concern in the market in forward. Okay. And I would say definitely around 14. So let's look at this on the 3-day chart. Zoom it back in. Currently, the market is not that bad. I want us to keep our eyes open on the earnings, which is expected to occur in the next 7 days. Okay. We'll see what the market in forward reacts, how it reacts to the earnings release, because currently they're anticipating that the earnings is not going to be that bad. So we may see the market run up prior to July the 27th. And then once that day occurs, see the market come back down. All right. Now, what I'm seeing here on these different time frames is, yes, the market here is currently bullish. Yes, the market is anticipated to move higher, but there's still mixed in a lot of selling. All right. This is not a massively bullish stock right now. So let's put all of this into context. This is not a massively bullish stock. There's still people in the market in forward selling. Now, looking at this on a weekly chart, this is where we want price to stay above going forward for us to know that the ability of forward stock price to go up is still there. And it's at 12. Okay. We need to allow the market in forward to maintain its price above $12. And I'm really looking at the market running up to around 13 to 13.50 for real. Okay. So we got $12 as support. The market currently is breaking outside of this downtrend line. So let's cut that out the way. And I'm going to bring the market all the way down to 11 to where we already confirmed price. Okay. Now, we're going to focus on this line. Don't believe what Jim Cramer says about Ford. Don't believe what these Wall Street analysts is going to say about Ford. Pay attention to the price. The chart is not lying to us. The buyers are stationed at $11. As long as that's the case, we're going to maintain the ability to see price go up. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart. Because like I said, I'm going to look for the market in forward to run up, to go higher. Let's see. Because the first spot is going to be around that $13 level. Right? Now it's not that much. I'm sorry, like $13.50. A 7.4% move higher. That's going to be our first price target. Because when we zoomed out of the price chart, we understood that that area would impact Ford's price. Okay. My second one is around 14. Okay. Now, again, we have so far broken outside of this downtrend line. We have seen the buyers stand up price at 11. This is why we're looking for the price to continue to move higher, but only as high as maybe $13.50 to $14. This is not the opportunity to run in and say the market here in Ford is now massively a buy. Not yet. Okay. So we're here. Go ahead and tell me your thoughts, your process as to where you think the market in Ford is about to go. Because looking at this real quick on the 5-week chart, we have 9 days and 9 hours left though. But looking at this, if we are to see in the next 9 days, the price in Ford, this price bar right here, look the way that it looks now, then yeah, I might increase it up another $1, but we got to wait 9 more days. Okay. But yeah, I kind of like that right there on the 9-day, on the 5-week chart. So that is it. Let me hit this back over on the daily. You guys can see what my thought process is. I told you what I think now, and now it's your turn to tell me what you think. Write me your comment of your price prediction, your price target in Ford. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.